Oh, y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video here. Old school soul food. Hey, today we're gonna be doing some country style barbecue oven ribs. You know, during the winter time, which it is right now when I'm doing this video, it is happen to be December. You don't want to be outside on the pit. And I love the barbecue. Nobody can barbecue, love barbecuing more than me. But sometimes I like to cheat and do it in the oven. And I'm going to show y'all a nice way to do them in the oven. And where they come out nice, tender, and flavorful. So these just a little cut of, you know, they call these the country ribs. The way they're cut here. So what I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to put some Worcestershire on them. I have Worcestershire when you do barbecue. You can't do barbecue without Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire on there, a little liquid smoke, so it give that feel like you did on my side, all on the pit. A little liquid smoke on there, and you know it's my favorite seasoning, Cabernet meat seasoning. Be liberal with it. And we're gonna turn them over and do the other side. But like I say, this is a nice, easy way to do the ribs inside. Nice, flavorful. When I'm through with these, you'll never know you did them inside. So I'll flip them over. Same way I did the other side. Worcestershire, a little liquid smoke, and my seasoning here. And we're not going to put the barbecue sauce on it until after they cook a while. That's a different process. You can use whatever seasoning you like. I just happen to like Cabernet. You can use a barbecue rub seasoning if you like, but this is what I like. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a pan that has a rack in it because I want the juices to separate from the meat. I don't want it sitting in the juices. I really want the juices to come out of this. So I'm going to put it in a rack here. All right, stay on here. Like a half an inch apart. If they touching it, be okay, but I like it to be like maybe a half an inch apart from each other. There we go. Go. This is right here. Okay, now we're gonna put them in the juices on there. This is flavor here. All that on there. That's all flavor there. Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven for 375 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. Then we're gonna take them out. We're gonna drain all that liquid out. We're gonna brush the barbecue sauce on them. Really, really good. Then we're going to cover them and cook them an additional 30, 45 minutes. So it takes about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours to do these where they falling apart. So we're going to put them in there uncovered for about 45 minutes. Come back, check them, and put the barbecue sauce on them. Cover them back up, cook them another 45 minutes. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. We're going to see what we got here. We got it now. We're going to brush the... Oh yeah, that's what we want. We got a nice color on them. It's been about 45 minutes. Now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take this barbecue sauce and brush it all on here, really, really good. Completely on there, a lot of sauce on there. That nice color. And then we're gonna cover them, and it has a lot of moisture in the bottom of the pan. And that moisture is going to help tenderize these ribs. Okay, let me put a little bit more sauce in here. They're already looking good. You want plenty of sauce on them. Don't be too dry. Yes, sir, look at that. How good that's looking. Looking very good. It's going to be very flavorful when they come out. Brush them real good. Make sure you get all that sauce on them. All right, now what we're gonna do? Cover with foil. We're going to let that steam from the liquid in the bottom of the pan. It's going to steam these and they're going to be fall off the bone tender. So we'll put it in the oven another 45 minutes. Come back in 45 minutes and check it and they'll be ready. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. These suckers should be completely ready now. See here. Oh yeah. Yeah, steam coming off of them. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah, look how it's falling off the bone now. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna rub some final barbecue sauce on them. Look at that, so nice, flavorful. Can't go wrong with that. Oh yeah, now we're gonna plate them up here. And we're gonna try these things, see how they taste. Let me get my platter here. Oh yeah. Definitely falling off the bone here. So tender. Now that meat just come off of there. Yeah. Easy way to cook ribs. Easiest way to cook ribs in the wintertime. Look at that. Now this so tender. So tender. First thing you can do, all that extra sauce in the bottom. You're gonna pour it there, mix it up. Just pour it right on top of that. All that extra sauce. Look at that. Yes, sir. Look at that. So I'm gonna let them cool just a little, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna taste one. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here, and we're gonna taste these. Let me get this piece right here. See how tender that is? Oh my God, look at that. Falling off the bone tender. A little of that sauce in there. Oh yeah. Oh my God. So good. Now you try this recipe. Awesome. Flavor. It's delicious, tender. You can see it's so tender. Try this recipe. Give this recipe thumbs up. Please comment. Please subscribe to my page, to my channel. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.